School news!
Hi, we are Mrs. Corderero's 9th grade English class. A student stepdad in our class, Sergeant Adam Stoddard, and other local Maine soldiers of the 133rd Engineer Battalion are currently stationed in Afghanistan. Cold weather is approaching and we'd like to send them a winter care package.
Soldiers love mail. Any and all communication boosts morals and brightens spirits. Basic cards, letters of encouragement, and any items you think would help lift their spirits are welcome.
So write letters and help us provide support from home. We are collecting homemade baked goods, candy and gum, granola and protein bars, trail mixes, any other snack items that do not require refrigeration, flavored enhancers for water bottles, Moxie soda, Monster Chaos, DVD movies,
memory sticks, card and board games, magazines, popular books, crossword and puzzle books, ibuprofen and aspirin, cough drops, airborne, Tiger Balm and Icy Hut muscle rubs, gel foam inserts for boots, chapstick and dry skin lotion, acne face pads with alcohol, hand foot warmers, and other basic toiletries.
Boxes to stock can be found in the cafeteria, library, guidance offices, and admin 1 and 2.
Okay guys, it's that time of the week again. I need to pick a hall monitor. Who wants to do it? Alright, Alright, Carl. It's all you.
Reporting for duty, sir!
Great.
Bad boys, what you want, what you want, what you gonna do when Chevy John don't come for you? Tell me what you wanna do, what you gonna do? Yeah, bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you?
Please stop right there, sir. I'm gonna have to ask for your hall pass. Oh, hey, oh, hey, oh. I'm gonna have to see your hall pass. Excuse me, sir? I'm gonna have to ask you to see your hall pass. Here. Alright, okay, have a nice day. Excuse me, sir. Can I please see your hall pass?
It's right in there, sir.
This hall pass is written for June 12th.
That's it. Nah, man.
I'm gonna have to,
Nah, man.
I have to arrest you.
Can't do this, man.
Can't do this, man. Good enough.
Repeat offender. Excuse me, Matt. Please see your hall pass. Afraid I'm gonna have to place you under arrest.
See what she was wearing?
Yeah, what the heck? That was the ugliest dress I've ever seen.
Well, who are you texting?
My boyfriend, duh. He's being really distant and weird, and I think he's gonna break up with me.
Just dump him first.
Yeah, that's true. It'll make me look like a better person.
Excuse me, ladies. According to my watch, you should be in class right now.
Well, we're not, so... What a loser.
Can I please see your hall pass?
I don't have one.
And why is that?
Because I don't.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything
What?
you say can and will be held against you in the court of
Oh,
law.
I don't think so. No, I'm not into that. Nope. No.
This is getting a little weird.
No, what? I don't.
I'm out of
think
here.
so.
Me too.
What are you doing?
You're coming with me.
Are you kidding me?
You found prom?
Yeah, did you?
I did.
Aw, thanks, doll.
Not so fast. You there. Show me your hall pass.
Hall pass.
Forgery!
Are you sure? Here, take a closer look.
No, this is Alpha to Omega. Alpha to Omega. We got a subject resisting arrest. I'm in pursuit right now. I'm gonna need backup. Let's go! Where'd he go? He's gone. Where did he go?
I don't know.
I think we should split up. I'll go that way, you take that way.
Sounds good.
See anything?
Not a thing.
Me either. Where could this punk be?
I don't know.